Hi guys, how you doing? How's it going today? I hope that today finds you well. Today I am doing my Ipsy Glam X unboxing and I hope that you're here for it. If you are, please keep on watching. For those of you new here, hi, my name is Donna. I'm so glad that you found us today. So happy to have you here. I am a lover of all things high-end, colorful beauty and self-care, and I work in the beauty industry. I get a lot of education around the things that I put on my face, and I love talking to you guys about those education moments. I do a lot of reviews here on my channel, but I also just kind of love talking about makeup, and you people are my people. Therefore, that is what I am out here doing. I hope that you find that this channel soothes your soul as much as it soothes mine. And if so, I hope that you'll find yourself subscribing before you go. I would love to welcome you into my awesome YouTube family here. I would also love to welcome you onto my crazy train of a life we've got going on here. If this is your first time, I would love for you to hang out. With that said, let's jump into this Ipsy Glam X unboxing. So, for those of you new to Ipsy, don't know anything about Ipsy, please let me explain it to you. Ipsy is a subscription service that has multiple different values that you can get. So I used to get the Ipsy Glam bag, which was a sample size bag that comes with a makeup bag and 5 sample size to full size items in it every single month. It cost $12 per month, and I recently canceled that subscription because, to be frank, the samples kind of pissed me off, just hanging out in my collection, not getting any use, and just kind of taking up space. But I kept the Plus box, which is $25 per month, and it has 5 full size items. If it isn't a product that works for me, it works well because it's a full-size item and I can gift it. They also have a seasonal box, which is this one, the Ipsy Glam X. And this one is $55. And dependent on which subscription service you have, it will take place of that subscription for the month. So instead of getting the Plus box this month, I got the X box this month. And therefore paid an additional $30 to get this box this month instead of the Plus box. So with that said, the X box comes to you with 8 full-size items in it, and it is curated by somebody, a celebrity of some sort, which is why it's X, Glam Bag X, whoever, right? This box was curated by Huda and I, so this is the Glam Bag X Huda, and everything in this box was something that Huda thought would be amazing in this box. I haven't really looked at this yet, so I did pull out the foam because I needed the foam. So it is open because I needed the foam, but other than that, I haven't really looked at what is in this box, but I'm so excited to open it up and look at it. So let's dig in. Let's dig into this box. One of the first things that you'll see is the little flyer. It's much like a newspaper, right? And it's going to have information about the curator of the box on it. And then inside, it's also going to have all the items that could have been in your box in it. Let's start picking things out. So the first thing that I see here is this. This is, I think, something that I picked, if I remember correctly. This is the Sunday Riley Clean Rinse. This is a clarifying scalp serum. It has AHAs and BHAs in it. It is a rinse-off serum to clarify the scalp and product buildup, excess oil, dead skin, and pollution for a cleaner, healthier looking scalp and refreshed hair. I picked this specifically for my kid. He is a 15-year-old boy. He, doesn't necessarily maybe take care of himself in the way that he 100% should, but he's got a scalp issue. So Sunday Riley is one of my favorite skincare brands, so I can't imagine this isn't going to be amazing. This is a $48 item, and it says Huda's tip is to section off your hair with a comb to help get an even scalp application, which I think is smart. So let's open it up, see what the bottle looks like. Oh, okay. What I love about this bottle is it has, the pointed tip so that you can use that tip to section off your hair and then also put the serum on your scalp. I've never tried this product before, but as I said, I love Sunday Riley, so I can't imagine it's a horrible thing. And I did pick it specifically for my kid. One product I am disappointed with, and only because I feel like this is like the third time that they've sent me this product, so it kind of like is just more irritating than anything else, is this. And this is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I have a pink one sitting over there. I got a teal one in a box not that long ago that I gave to my mom for Mother's Day or something like that. And now I have a third one. I don't know why I need so many of these, to be honest, and I wish they'd quit sending them to me. This was not something that I picked. Obviously, I wouldn't have picked it because I already have it. So this is a Smart Clean Facial Cleansing Device in Warmth. It's a different color. It says, to be honest, there's nothing this super powered skincare device can't do. Made with ultra hygienic silicone. It uses sonic vibrations to deep clean, help purify pores, and treat your face to a lifting and toning massage. Correct. None of that is a lie. But I don't need 3 of them for sure. And Ipsy has sent me all of the ones that I currently own or have owned. So this is a $99 product, which I think is fantastic. It's a great gift. I'll probably give it as a gift for Christmas. I won't get any use out of this, and this was probably the biggest price point in my box. The next thing I pull out is this. The First Day Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. It says these ultra gentle peel pads are infused with lactic and glycolic acid to help smooth and brighten without irritation. And they come in at a $36 price point. So I do think that this is an item that I picked. I don't typically pick like a one-time use kind of product. This has multiple different pads in it, right? There's 60 pads in here. So if you're using it twice a day, it's a month worth. If you're using it once a day, it's like 2 months worth. I would probably only use them once a day. First Day Beauty is a really great skincare brand as well, so I'm interested in this. I like that it's got the glycolic and lactic acids in it. I think that it will make a great peel product, but I think all the choices that I had, like there was nothing in those choices that I would normally purchase, so I'm willing to try something new, right? But this wouldn't have been my favorite thing to put into choice for me. And if I don't like them, my daughter loves First Aid Beauty, so I would give those to her. The next thing I pull out of there is this, and this is the first Huda Beauty product. This is the Huda Beauty Glow Coco Hydrating Mist. We all know I love a good facial mist. So this is an essential in Huda's kit. This multi-use face mist. It uses 3 different kinds of coconut, oil, milk, and water to prime your skin. Set your makeup in place and refresh dull, dry skin for an overall dewy look. I've heard that this makes you look more greasy than dewy, but I do love a facial mist. I'm willing to try it. I'm going to open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, this is a really nice bottle. That's really cute. And you can see the white milkiness in there. Huda's tip: when I want even more radiance, I'll use this mist to dampen my makeup sponge instead of water. Duh. This is a $35 item. I don't know if I would pay $35 for a facial mist, although I say that, and I am constantly purchasing like Urban Decay All Nighter, which I think is $32, or the Benefit Professional Pore Spray, which is $30, I do believe. So I'm gonna try it. It sounds interesting to me. The next thing I pull out is this, and this is a Gold Fatten MD Solution Needleless Line Smoothing Concentrate. This is what this looks like. And this guy says it's got fewer lines, no injections needed. Sounds like a dream, right? Nope. This powerful anti-aging serum does just that with moisture boosting hyaluronic acid and firming seaweed extract. Huda's tip is to press the serum into dry skin to help boost absorption and efficacy. This is $165. Okay, This wasn't what made the price of my box. This is what made the price of my box. But what in the Sam hell would you, why would you pay $165 for this little tiny tube of anything? I'm telling you, this is not the packaging for something that costs $165. This is just a little tiny squeezy tube. It looks like it could be like a trial size or a travel size item. It's apparently not. It's apparently full size. And it's a serum, so that makes sense. Like, you don't need an extra large thing. It's 1.7 fluid ounces or 50 mLs. So I guess that seems crazy to me, though. 165 doll hairs. What? Wow. I do have some Gold Fatten MD moisturizer that I haven't even opened up yet. So that I also got from Ipsy. So maybe I'll use them in tandem with each other. Sometimes some brands, they work better when you're using all the skincare from said brand. So we will see. I'm interested in it. I love a good serum. I love a good serum. So we'll get some use out of this guy for sure. The next thing I have in here is this, and this is by Rare Beauty, which is kind of scary because everything I've tried from Rare Beauty I've not really loved. I'm wearing a blush from Rare Beauty today, actually, and I kind of love it. So it's the first Rare Beauty product, though, that I've had that I love. So this is the Stay Vulnerable in Nearly Apricot. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. This is so neat. It's kind of like square on one side and rounded the rest of the way. It's like a cog. It reminds me of that, you know, and this might be dating myself, but when I was a kid, we had these toys that were like Avon toys or something, and they were circles and you could pull them apart and all the pieces would come out. And then once you put them back together, you had all these different shapes that you had to fit, like Shape-O Ball, I think is what it was called. This reminds me of the pieces that used to go into that Shape-O Ball. Anyways, this is the Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm. It's $18. It says, treat your lips to the best of both worlds. Ultra flattering glossy color and intense hydration that wraps lips in nourishing botanicals for a smooth, soft, and plump effect. Huda's tip: for a flattering monochromatic look, opt for a matching blush and shade too. Duh, like these tips are not like rocket science. That's what I have to say about that. This is stunning. I love the packaging of this. I love that it's a balm. When I was a kid, again, dating myself maybe, but chapstick has been around since the beginning of time. I feel like that was the lip balm. Like that was a lip balm. Anything like this was, I don't even know if they had things like this, honestly, because I didn't start wearing makeup until like 4 years ago. But anything like this was a lipstick. You didn't get balms like this. I'm interested in this. I'm super excited to have this in my collection. Super excited to try another Rare Beauty item. I'm hoping that it's amazing. Again, it's an $18 value. The next thing I have is this, and I don't think I picked that. I can't remember what items I picked, if I'm honest. I do remember that I picked this. And the reason why I picked this is because I've heard amazing things about this powder. And the things I've heard about this powder are even those that don't like powder love this powder. I hate powder. But this is the by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. And this is the box. It's a beautiful box, like kind of like a deep eggplanty purple box. And this guy retails for $60. Is that right? That's right, $60 for a powder. Says even though it's mattifying, there's nothing drying about this cult favorite hyaluronic infused powder. I'm anxious to try this because I've heard amazing things about this powder. Shade 0, colorless. So we will see. It's very white. It's sealed. That is good because the cap was not on. This is what the packaging looks like. There's an awful lot of powder in there. This is 10 grams of powder. Holy shit, that's a lot of powder. I would have never purchased this on its own, to be honest, but I'm excited to try it because everybody loves it. So the last thing in this is also a Huda Beauty product, and it is the Purple Haze eyeshadow palette. And I really like her 9-pan palettes. I've heard good and bad things about these Haze palettes. So this one is one of the Huda Haze Obsession palettes. It retails for $29. It says, get pro-level makeup with this palette curated by the beauty queen herself. The shimmer and matte tones are densely pigmented for epic color payoff, yet crazy easy to blend. And Huda's tip is use the glitter toppers to glam up your lower lash line or highlight your inner corner. I never use glitter in my inner corner or my lash line because I'm afraid it will go into my eyeball and cut my eyeball to shit. So I won't be doing that, Huda, but I will get some use out of this palette. This is what the packaging looks like. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love purples. I love purples. This isn't super purple. I am super excited about it though. Look how beautiful that is. That is just so, so pretty. I hope this is good. I hope this is good. I typically do have a great time with her Obsession palettes, and my friend Anna really loves her like brown one with the like tortoise shell. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. So I'm not mad at this box. Let me add up what the total of the box is so that you guys have some idea of what the value of my box was. All right, guys, so the total of my box, can you guys see? I totally dropped my phone, and it's the screen protector is totally broke and spidered all over the place. Like, I've just got this phone not that long ago, so I'm just totally pissed myself off. But I'm just getting to the point where I like this phone. I just need to go get another screen protector. But $490 is the total of my box. I mean, I couldn't be happier with my box. The only disappointing product is this, and this is only disappointing because they've already sent me, like, this is the third one that they've sent me in probably the last year. It is a little bit aggravating, but beyond that, like, I'm not mad at anything in this box. This I picked for my kids, so not a bad thing. This I can't remember if I picked this or no, but either way, I'm gonna try it. If I don't like it, those are the only two like iffy products, and this product is the only one that I'm disappointed in, but it'll make a great gift. The rest of it, like, I'm excited about. I'm excited to try. I'm excited to use. And it's not super makeup heavy even, and I'm still excited about the box. So what did you guys get in your Ipsy? I would be interested to know. Do you get the X? Do you get the Plus? Do you get the Glam? Do you get them all? Tell me what you get. I would be interested to know what you got in your glam bag, and if you're excited about those products as well. And with that said, yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that if you did, you're considering giving it a big thumbs up. It really does help our channels out here. Again, I hope that you'll want to subscribe before you go. Hopefully I soothe your soul as much as I'm soothing my own being out here on the YouTubes. Thank you guys just so much for coming and spending moments of your time with me today. I know that you don't have to. It warms my heart so much that you do. I hope that 2021 is treating you all kindly. I hope that you and yours are well, that you're safe, that you're getting along in this crazy chaotic world as best you can, and I hope that you're loving each other, but loving each other from afar. And until next time, bye friends.